Are you at the supermarket?
Yeah, I'm there now.
Great, can you get me something? I need that, that water to clean the dishes.
Washing up liquid?
Washing up liquid, yeah.
Yeah, I can see they have washing up liquid. Anything else?
Oh, and do they have that thing, to clean my clothes?
Oh, laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Ah, yes, I see the laundry detergent.
Oh, and that thing to make my clothes soft.
Oh, I know. You mean fabric softener.
Fabric softener? Fabric softener, yeah, please.
Yeah, fabric softener. It's here. I got it.
Oh, and what about that one, you know, can clean the glass?
Glass cleaner?
Glass cleaner? Oh, that one's easy. Glass cleaner.
Oh yeah, they do have glass cleaner.
Oh, and one more thing. Can you get that thing for, you put in the toilet to clean it?
For the toilet? Oh, bleach.
Bleach? Yeah, bleach, please.
Bleach, bleach, bleach. Ah, yes, I see the bleach. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Good.